there, I'm Alexandra Harbushka. Okay, this is my dog. This is Scarlett. I'm sure you guys have seen me talk about her a lot. She's my best friend. I just love her. Anyways, this is also my house and we are moving, we're packing up. I don't think anybody likes moving because you have those boxes and you're like, do I want it? Do I not want it? Do I get rid of it? You gotta organize it, all that fun stuff. So why don't you come on, head on in with me. I'll kind of show you how I'm packing, unpacking, giving rid of, goodwill, all that fun stuff. Come on, Scarlett. All right, come on inside. Cool, okay, so as you saw from the last episode, we met with Victoria Tick of Aesthetic Design. We went to Ferguson's, we kind of picked out our appliances. These are some samples of what we have picked out for our new residents. We're changing the countertops, so this is what we're looking at. These are the floors that we've picked out because the floors in there needs to go. So it's been kind of hard to pick something that is durable with our little boy that will work, and we want to use our house, we like to cook, all that fun stuff. But we have floorboards that we've picked out. So it's between these two. I think we're gonna go with this one. This is how it will look like up against the wall. This is our crown molding. This is gonna go in my office. I'm really excited to have crown molding. My office is gonna be, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's gonna be like Paris apartment meets New York City, meets Sex and the City, meets like La Perla. That's my theme. Maybe a little Jimmy Choo-ish in there. Like that's my total theme. So that's my crown molding. And then these are our poles that we picked to go with our countertop here. So that's what we're looking at. It's been really fun. Let me know, do you guys like it? Do you not like it? Do you like the color we went with? All that, please let me know because we haven't ordered it yet. So let me know. All right, so you can see everything is empty in my house. We're living out of boxes. It's that really awkward time when you're like, do I pack it? Do I not pack it? Do I put it in? I got, clothes in here, trying to figure out, what's the special, like what do I need? What do I not need? What do I need for what season? All that fun stuff, yep. I got my golf clothes, got my winter clothes. I got all sorts of stuff in there. So Bill and I started the packing, I think in April, and we're not moving till August. So we started weeding out things like, don't want, or this drawer needs to get organized. So a lot of times we'll pick a drawer like a day, or we'll take an hour and say, okay, let's just go through this section today, and that's it. And then at least we like weed through the stuff we don't want, and then we'll pack the stuff later. Bill's closet's his looks better than mine, but because I just feel like men's clothes can look better hung. But like, look he has his Goodwill stuff. I mean, it's pretty empty. He has it all like staged pretty. And then check out my closet. I'm weeding it out, like just trying to keep the essentials that I might need the next few days and that I might need in San Diego while we're there for a few weeks, also Costa Rica for a few weeks. But yeah, just I need to go through my shoes next. Look, I left them all there. I left that there. But like, I saw it, but like, I'm not gonna need my cowboy boots the next 6 weeks, like obviously. And like boots, I don't need that in the next 6 weeks. But I could go out to dinner with Bill, so that's why I left them. All right, let me show you a couple other rooms. We have to be quiet because Clinton's sleeping. So we have some empty drawers going on. We gotta figure it out. This one, I haven't packed it yet. This is all my bride stuff. This is like my bouquet from all that, all my bride stuff. I love that. That can go packed because obviously I'm not gonna pull out my bride stuff now. But anyways, okay, let's go check out some rooms that are looking pretty bare. To be quiet. All right, okay, so this was my childhood bedroom furniture. And one of the things that Bill and I are talking about, Bill's like, get rid of it. And I'm like, I can't get rid of it. It was my childhood bedroom furniture. So I don't know what's gonna happen in our new house, but this room, obviously it's not being used. So we're just gonna start packing it up so if you guys have any packing tips, please let me know. I don't think I'm a good packer. I got all these pillows. So I'm just gonna start putting them in this box here, get it all done because we are not expecting any guests the next few weeks. And yeah, we don't need guests the next 6 weeks anyways. I don't know, what packing tips do you guys have? And should we keep my stuff here? Like, should I keep it and put it in a guest room? What do you think? I mean, this was like my childhood bedroom furniture I've had since I was 3. Let me know. Leave a comment. I made these. They're still in my armoire. Isn't that cute? It's a Garibaldi and this is a sea lion. I made him in the 2nd grade. So this closet has all that stuff that like you want to keep, but don't, you know, don't get rid of. So it's kind of nostalgic going through this stuff because that's what, like, I don't know why you keep it because you're like, well, I'm never gonna use it, but I keep it. Like this was what my grandmother wore to my parents' wedding. This is my dress that I wore to my 6th birthday. Like how cute is that, right? It still has the little Peter Rabbit like incense thing. This, I have my wedding dress in here. I have my mom's wedding dress. Do you guys wanna see it? Look. So, you guys gotta see this. This was my wedding dress. I love it. It's all dry cleaned, otherwise I would probably put it on. I didn't do the sealing it. I decided I'm never gonna wear it again, but oh, I loved it. I'll have to give you guys photos of our wedding so you can put them in the, so you guys can see. But I have my mom's wedding dress. I mean, tons and tons of stuff in here. So anyways, I'm gonna get this all packed up into one big box, but that's it. So, okay, here's what I need serious help with though. Do I keep the furniture or not? Like, that's a serious, serious question. I'm stressed about it because Bill says no, I say yes. Okay. All right, okay, let's put this in the garage so we can just start getting it done, right? So what we're doing is the new owners of our home are being extremely gracious and allowing us to keep our furniture in one half of the garage. So we get this whole half over here. We've been kind of like little by little packing things in it, but we get to keep all this. We're trying to figure out if the golf cart's gonna fit. We don't know, but let me just start. Bill's gonna totally reorganize this because he's like a organizer when it comes to these boxes, but let's just put this here. Pretend like that's just where it's gonna go because that works for me. So do you wanna go check out the new house? Should we go? Should we get in the golf cart and go? Okay, let's do it. We're literally moving across the street. The house is right over there. So we literally are like 100 yards down the street. All right, so we're taking off. We are literally, it is the house across the street. So I'm super stoked about that because I love this little neighborhood. There's only a few homes in here. So it's great for Clinton. He can run and hide and take his bike and do all this in its neighborhood. Here's the front. Here's the front of our house. There's a tenant in there right now, so we're unfortunately unable to move in until August. That's when his lease is through. But I just love that front door. I'll save it for Clinton. But yeah, we are so excited. Like I said, I can't wait to do like lanterns and lights. Well, obviously it's across the street. It'll be easy move, but because we're moving out and have 6 weeks that we have to figure out what we're doing, that's gonna be a little bit difficult, but it should be an easy move in. But then we're gonna remodel, so we're gonna be living in one part of the house so that the Victoria and Steve and his crew can completely, redo a lot of our living space. So we'll be kind of living there. Hopefully we get moved in by the holidays, totally, but who knows. So this little area right here where you see kind of the arch, I don't know what it's called, trellis, I don't know. That's gonna be like a little back area for my office. So I'll come out and sit outside when the weather's nice and work, but that's where my little office is. So I'm kind of stoked about having my own office, not being in our master bedroom. Can you believe how fast it is to get to our new house? It's like super easy. It's like, we don't even need to take the golf cart, but the golf cart's just, it's fun. Who doesn't like the golf cart? Oh, I didn't show you where I want to put my garden. Let me show you guys where I want to put my garden. I've wanted a garden for forever, but we just didn't have the right spot for it. We're thinking right back here. This is where we're thinking for the garden. This is where all the pool supplies is. That's where I'm thinking the garden's gonna go. So be expecting, like fresh zucchinis, some lettuce, I don't know, sweet potato, I don't know what I'm gonna grow, but tomatoes, I'm gonna grow tomatoes. All right, so thanks for joining me as I talk to you about my stresses of packing, unpacking, living in an empty house, living in living in boxes, out of boxes, trying to figure it all out, and showing you my new house. Super stoked. Okay, if you liked this, want to see more, you can go on ahead and hit subscribe somewhere on the channel and let me know what other content you want. Let me know if there's something you really want to see from my life, hear about, all that. So let me know. I will see you soon in the next episode. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Bye guys. Which house do I go to? I don't even know. I'm gonna go to the one I still live in.